Ay ma'am, hingi lang po ng palace reaction. Former President Duterte's legal team is seeking to submit before the ICC yung report po ng Senate Committee on Foreign Relations on the former president's arrest. They say that the report will prove that the arrest was the result of a whole-of-government approach to bring down the Dutertes and result of political maneuvering designed to politically cripple his family. Reaction lang po.
Yes, for the fees, he has allegedly been demanding from his client, former President Rodrigo Duterte. He should do better than that. He should concentrate on his defenses. He should concentrate on the allegations and admissions of the former president of his killings, and that he ordered the killings of some people in relation to war on drugs. And he also admitted that he will double the EJK killings once elected as a mayor. He should concentrate on that. That is supposed to be part of his defense for his client. He should also remember that this case was filed as early as 2017. So wala pa po si Pangulong Marcos, ang administrasyon na ito, para po ibintang ang mga ganitong klase sa kasalukuyang administrasyon. So, dapat mas pagbutihan pa po niya ang pag-research ng kanyang mga facts para po hindi po siya maligaw.
So, ibig sabihin, ma'am, wala po kayo nakikita na weight na maibibigay itong report ng Senate Committee on Foreign Relations sa ongoing case ni dating Pangulong Duterte?
Baka maging negatibo pa po sa kanila.
Bakit po?
Kung makikita po siguro ang pag-iimbestiga doon at makikita kung paano ito ginawa, siguro hindi naman po bulag ang ICC judges para makita kung ano ba talaga yung maaaring naging katotohanan dito.